Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics, guys. Today a short video, but amazing product review, guys, about a tool that everybody should have. Very inexpensive tool, but can save you quite a bit of headache. How to test your battery, that's the video is about. And it's important not to test only the battery on the vehicle, but it's also important to test it when you're trying to start the vehicle and to test your charging system to make sure that everything's okay. Stay with us and we'll show you how we're going to do that today. Okay guys, this is the device that we got right here. You can see made by Top Down. We have the links in the description of the video. You can see you have the table right here with the different measuring units, so you can switch it for every part of the world. In the US here we use CCA, which is cold cranking amps. Okay, and this one is actually manual right here. Okay, you can open it and you can see it explains you how to do things if you need to. But this thing is so easy to use now, and let us show you why. So this Sienna, guys, it's been sitting here for about 2-3 weeks in the cold winter time, hasn't been driven, and we want to test the battery on it. Okay, so you connect the black cable with the negative terminal of the battery and red with the positive terminal. Okay, we need to remove that cap right there. Okay, and you can see we need to clean our clamps. So we have a video how to clean that corrosion. Next, you need to find the rating for your battery. Okay, ours is the CCA right here. It says 700. Okay, and you can see first thing we connect the device and it says we have 12.3 volts. Okay, we click OK, select English. You have different languages. Let me just preview them quick. Okay, so if you need it in different language, you know if it has it or if it doesn't. Okay, so we're going to select, there is two kind of tests. So let's do the first one, is more simple, out of vehicle test. Okay, and we select, you can select before or after charge, depending if you charge your battery or you didn't. We haven't charged it, it's been on the vehicle and we haven't used any charging devices. So we'll click OK, regular flooded. Okay, we're going to select CCA, that's the cold cranking amps, and our battery is 700. Okay, so you can see 700 and we need to go now all the way to 700. Okay, just hold the button, select OK, testing. Okay, so it's doing its magic now. Okay, right now you can see it's rated at 700, but this is at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let me show it to you right here, 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Right now it's about probably 45. You can see, and we have 800 amps, which is really good. Good charge, good battery. Okay, so now let's go to the second test, which is more detailed, and we can test the charging system of the vehicle as well. Okay, we start from the beginning and we select in vehicle test before charge. Okay, and we do the same procedure. We have 700 amps, it memorizes it. Okay, it's going to do its thing and it will ask us to start the engine in a little bit. Okay, you can see we dropped 10 amps because it's putting some load on the battery so we can test it. Okay, let's go ahead and start the engine now. That's what needs to be done. You just need to follow the instructions. Okay, RPM detected. You can see it's doing its thing now, testing. Okay, cranking normal. It went down to 10.2 volts, but it has good cranking power. Okay, and let's do the charging test. Charging test will put load on the charging system and make sure that your alternator and charging system performs good. Okay, it's loading the test now. Increase revolutions. We give it a little bit more gas. Okay, it detected it. Okay, let's check it out now. You can see loaded we have 13.9 volts, non-loaded 14.1. Very little actuation between those, very little difference, so that's what we're striving. Everything says normal, charging normal, repo normal. So this is it guys, really small device but really powerful. Thank you guys for watching, hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.